Hello and welcome to Pleasure Wire News. This is our very first weekly news update, and I'm so excited to share all of the wonderful things that are happening in our community and what is to come. We just opened the Pleasure Wire community about a week ago now, and it's already feeling so alive. So I've got to get a big shout out to the lovely ladies of this group: Camille, Leah, Deidria, Lexi, Jen, Tanya. Thank you so much for being here. And thank you so much for all of what you've been sharing and contributing to the group. But I gotta give an extra shout out to the top 3 on the leaderboard for this week, which is going to be Leah, Camille, and Deidria. So again, thank you so much for everything that you've been sharing, your support, and it's been absolutely amazing. Now let's talk about our events coming up for October. Tomorrow, October 1st, we will gather for our very first live session together at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for our Abundance Harvest Reset. This is going to be a time to pause, to reflect, and do a gentle life audit on the past 3 months. You're going to get worksheets to help you spot what's working, what's not working, and how to create more flow and ease into your life for the rest of the year, which is going to make it so much easier to transition into 2026. Of course, that will be live, so grab some tea and get nice and cozy. You can be on camera, you can turn your cameras off, whatever you feel most comfortable with. And if you can't make it, then you can head over to the live replay section in the classroom where you can be able to get access to those worksheets along with watching the live replay. But I do hope that you come because I think it would be so much fun just to be in the same presence of you at the same time. Then on October 15th, which is also on a Wednesday at 6:30 p.m., we are going to have our founding members kickoff. This is going to be a nice little cozy space for us to connect, share your ideas, and what you would love to have from this community. So your input is going to be really powerful here in shaping how the Pleasure Wire builds and grows to support you. Now let's take a peek into what's in the vault so far, because so many of you are so close to unlocking it. You just need a few more shares and a few more likes to get there. So you're really, really close. Inside, you're going to find more meditations. So we have nervous system resets, PMS, PCOS, and cycle support, a 45-minute deep cell repair meditation, and even beauty meditations for sleep and hair growth. For rituals, we have luxurious baths like Cleopatra, Aphrodite, prosperity baths for abundance, and DIY beauty blends like the shimmer butter, avocado face mask, glow mask, and even a cramp relief oil. And the recipe vault is always building. So right now we have a ton of hormone balancing tonics and food recipes, from cacao smoothies and chia pudding to salmon burgers and an oyster Rockefeller. These are both delicious and body nourishing. And soon we're going to feature another category in your recipe vault where we're focusing on more grounding meals to help with your blood sugar regulation. So we'll have more protein-based meals featuring turkey or chicken or lamb, just to give you a little more variety with your protein. And then for the movement vault, we have Pilates flows and grounding stretches to help you feel more at ease in your body. And don't forget, at level 2, you'll be able to unlock 30 days of pleasure rituals, which is packed with meditations, recipes, practices, and little mini resets that activate your pleasure system and kind of get you out of a little funk if you've been feeling stuck lately or burned out. All right, so now let's talk about what's coming up next. As you know, we're always building, so here's a little sneak peek as to what is coming in the very near future and over time. When you get to level 4, you will unlock the Hormone Detox Vault. This vault will have short courses that will teach you how to clear and reset your hormones in your body naturally. And then at level 5, you'll be able to unlock the Hormone Syncing Vault, which will teach you how to align your life, work, and even dating and relationships with your body's natural chemistry. And at level 6, you'll be able to book a completely free one-on-one session where I will be able to create a personalized guide for you. We'll be able to check in and talk about some things that you're experiencing, maybe with hormones, maybe with burnout, and also just have some cozy girl time. Outside of this space, we also have fresh content as well on YouTube and on the podcast. So on YouTube, we're going to be diving into gut health, everything from learning how to boost your GLP-1 naturally and exploring the gut-womb connection. And then on the podcast, we're going to be diving in really deeply on the burnout womb, which will cover topics like PMS, PMDD, PCOS, and so much more. And also, the votes are in. We have voted on our new challenge as a group. We have our walking or movement challenge, and we will be using the Step Up app, and we have our own little group so we can see each other's steps and help to keep us motivated and accountable and moving our bodies so we don't get too sedentary. So I'm really excited to start that challenge with you starting October 1st. So this concludes everything for today. This is the Pleasure Wire News, and I'll see you in the community.